Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing very well if you ask me. In this video, we're gonna learn nominal sentences in negative form. In the last video, we have covered the positive ones, and that was the very first video. So if you haven't watched that one, please go watch that first and then come back to this one. It will help you better learn. After the video, if you feel like practicing, you can go to the description below this video and click on the link there to get access to your free exercise sheet. That's my small gift to you guys. And if you like this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, and write comments as well if you feel like it. Without further ado, we can get started. So our negative word in nominal sentences, if you have watched my previous videos, you know it is değil, right? Değil. So for example, what we have done in the previous videos, when we have learned bunlar kitap, right? Bunlar kitap, these are books. When we want to say these aren't books, how do we do that? Bunlar kitap değil. Bunlar kitap değil. Similarly, when we said orası park, orası park, that place is a park. If that place isn't a park, how do we say it? How do we make this negative? Orası park değil. Orası park değil. That place isn't a park. In the last video, we have learned how to say I'm a doctor, right? Ben doktor. The last vowel is O. We need to conjugate this noun for first person singular for ben. Our suffixes were im, üm. Because here the last vowel is O, we needed right? So, ben doktorum. Done. If this person wants to say, I am not a doctor, how do we do that? Let's learn it now. Ben doktor değil. Now we need the personal suffix. So what happened here is that when we want to say, I am a doctor, we added the personal suffix at the end of the word doctor, right? When we want to make the same sentence negative, we take the personal suffix out from the doctor and we will add it now after değil. That's it. So we looked at the name doctor, the noun doctor. We said that the last vowel is O, so it will be etc. Now we are going to do the same exercise for değil instead to make the sentence negative. So we look at değil, right? The last vowel is E. So what were our options? Im, right? So as the last vowel has changed now, we need to look at how we conjugate the nouns that the last vowel is E, right? It is im. So it will be değilim, değilim. We will add the personal suffix at the end of değil. The good news is that as we are making or about to make many sentences in negative, and as we always use değil, then we will always look at the last vowel, and the last vowel will never change. So we will always use the second part of the rule, right? It will be always us looking at last vowel E or E. So if it is ben, it will be im or yim. If you don't remember why, please visit the previous video and then come back to this one. For sen, we will add sin, so it will be değilsin. If it is o, we don't need to conjugate it as usual. If it is biz, we will add is, so it will be değiliz. If it is siz, it will be değilsiniz. If it is onlar, then it will be değiller, değiller. Okay? So this video will be much easier than the previous one. So let's look at one example. Let's take the word avukat, right? Lawyer. If I wanted to say I'm a lawyer, how do I say it? Ben avukat. Avukat is lawyer. I look at the last vowel. It is a. So it will be ben avukatım, right? Ben avukatım. Sen avukatsın. O avukat. Biz avukatız. Siz avukatsınız. Onlar avukatlar or avukat. So, if I want to say now instead, I am not a lawyer, you're not a lawyer, how do I do that? I will go to the subject, ben, I will add my noun, avukat, I will add my negative word, değil, and now I will conjugate. Değil, im, değilim. Ben avukat değilim. Sen avukat değilsin. O avukat değil. Biz avukat değiliz. Siz avukat değilsiniz. Onlar avukat değiller. Okay? One rule here. If we want to say again for biz, siz, and onlar. If we want to add an adjective before the noun, then we need to make the noun plural, and then we add the negative word with the personal suffix. So when we want to say we are lawyers in English, biz avukatız, right? When I want to make it negative, biz avukat değiliz. If I want to say we are not good lawyers, biz iyi avukatlar değiliz. So I added plural suffix to the noun. And then değil plus personal suffix as usual. You will remember this from the previous video if you have watched it. We said biz kadınız, we are women. Biz başarılı, successful, kadınlarız, we said. So we added plural suffix after the noun. The same rule applies for the negative sentences as well. I hope this video was clear for you. Now we are moving to the quiz. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to take your exercise sheet with you, and please make sure you like, subscribe, and write comments if you want to. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next one.